hello folks, we are going to talk now about the National Interest Waiver, the EB-2 program. So EB-2 is different than EB-1, which means that you are going to serve in the national interest of America, which means that you're a person who has an idea, and even if you don't have an advanced degree, but you're that person who is going to serve in the national interest, which means, example, that you're working on something, for example, we had COVID in America, but you're someone like who's been a researcher, who's done a lot of extensive research about COVID, and you feel that in America, in future, if we come up with this vaccine, or if we change the methodology, or if we come up with better procedures, and your research is beyond the ordinary. You're not like a regular person who's doing research. Your research is exceptional, and your research has been recognized by other people, and you're among those few people who have understood everything that you need to know about COVID, how it can be avoided. I'm just taking COVID as an example. It can be SARS, it can be in any field. It can be in geography, it can be in history, it can be in math, in any field. As far as you're saying that your research or what you're going to do is going to benefit the United States of America, and if your entire research is national in scope, which means that it'll help people across the board, then you can be getting a national interest waiver, which means you do not need a sponsor. You can self-sponsor yourself for a green card. Take an example. I had done a national interest waiver for a yogi, a spiritual guru. And people thought, how could he do that? We said that this guru is going to teach people how to meditate. He's going to help them to reduce the stress level. But he has this exceptional secret of how he can reduce stress. And this man was brilliant in Hatha Yoga. So we said, this person who is excellent in Hatha Yoga, he's come up with a different concept of Hatha Yoga that's going to help people, and be focused on a particular area, that he's working on this yoga with children. And these children will benefit a lot. He put a program together, and he said that his entire work is national in scope. And guess what? He was granted the national interest waiver, and the person got a green card. Prior results do not guarantee future outcome. So anything that you're doing which can benefit America, and if you think that benefit is something which not many people know about, and if your research is exceptional, good thing is you may be sitting in any country, you can directly apply under the national interest waiver and qualify for a green card.